President. The President said he'll talk to the Minister, and then in one of those meetings where this issue was discussed, the National Commissioner says the President is in agreement with the disbandment of the PKTT, and therefore, by extension, the President was in agreement with that instruction that was issued. Does that make any difference in relation to your definition as you've referred to as policy?
Government's policy does not only relate to the decision or view of a president and a minister, and this is even more pertinent in view of our current government of national unity. So it cannot be proposed that even if it was discussed with the president, it has now become government's policy or government's intention to dissolve the PKTT.
All right. I understand.